So some of you might have seen the Applebaum Bites podcast where Yost and I interviewed Dante Del Vecchio of Pineider Pens. And during that interview, he introduced the Modern Times Pineider and graciously offered to send me one for review. And it has arrived. So let's take a look at it. Comes in an outer black sleeve with silver foil stamp. Pineider Firenze, 1774. Box does not want to open. And inside of the sleeve is the faux leather writing desk style case that I remember from my Pineider TTT twin tank touchdown. So it opens up this way with a magnetic catch. Ooh, nice soft black velvet type thing with Pineider foil stamped on the inside in silver. Booklet on the Tempi Moderni, which is the Modern Times. Dante has a penchant for naming his pens after various movies, like the Pineider Avatar. Well, I think this one, although he hasn't mentioned it, Modern Times is one of the most famous and most wonderful movies ever made by Charlie Chaplin back in the silent era. And here's the booklet for the Modern Times. So he talks about constant search for the perfect pen, and he talks about the inspiration being the fuselage of the first jet airplane, which was from Germany before the end of the Second World War. It was a Messerschmitt. It says the materials resin, quill nib steel, feather clip in marine steel, twist magnetic lock, and piston filler mechanism. And we flip this up, and there is the pen. Let's take it out of its sleeve, and there it is in all its triangular glory. Yost was teasing me that I have particular feelings about triangular grips, and so this being a triangular pen, put it to Dante that he should send me one of these so I could get my opinion. And I'm hoping that this pen will change my opinion on triangular sectioned pens. It is beautiful. I chose the black on black. It has the feather clip, which has a fulcrum kind of a mechanism to it. You can just see the spring inside there. It works on the pivot. It is a captured converter. It says it's a piston, but it's a captured converter. And there's the cap band. It says Tempi Moderni, Pineider, Napoli, Italy. And it is a magnetic closure with a silicone bounce cushion to it. And there is the triangular section, the steel number 6 size medium nib Pineider, and there are those magnetic clasps, and of course it posts like a champ. Well, that's very interesting. I think I'll reserve my judgment until I've written with it, but that's very nice. So let's put the pen aside and see what else comes in the box. A card on Pineider stationery, some information about the model, the story of Pineider, Modern Times. It's the repeat of what was in this little booklet. And there's this little bookmark and a little pack of stationery, of course, from Pineider. Some cards and envelopes in various colors. It's a really nice gift style presentation. The presentation of this product is very, very nice indeed. So I shall find an ink for this pen and we will put it through its paces. The Pineider Tempi Moderni, or Modern Times.
I made this.